Hi, my dear kids.
Welcome to Easy Learn Funny Learn.
In this video, we are going to see about SOF-NSO soil chapter. My dear kids, can we see some quick introduction about soil? Soil is a natural body. It is a mixture of many things. It contains minerals, water, air, and organic matter. It also contains many organisms such as earthworms and bacteria that help in maintaining the texture of the soil. There are four layers of soil. The layers of the soil are also called horizon. The top of the layer is humus. It is dark brown or black in color. It is made up of decayed leaves or bodies of plants and animals. Next layer is topsoil. This layer is just below the humus. And the next layer is subsoil. It is present below the topsoil. This subsoil layer is the home to earthworms and centipedes. Next, hard rock layer. This layer is made up of big rocks and hence it is also called bedrock. There are four types of soil: gravel soil, sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. Gravel soil contains only rocks. It do not hold water. Sandy soil, its texture is like granular. It is mostly found in deserts and beaches. Clay soil, it's fine grain material. It's very smooth and soft. Its water holding capacity is very high. Loamy soil. Loamy soil is ideal for agriculture. It is rich in humus. Come on, kids. Now start the question section. First one. In addition to the rock particles, the soil contains option A, air and water, B, water and plants, C, minerals, organic matter, air and water, D, water, air and plants. In addition to the rock particles, the soil contains minerals, organic matter, air and water. So option C is the correct answer. Second one. Choose the correct option according to the size in order from smallest to the largest. A. Sand, clay, silt. B. Clay, silt, sand. C. Silt, sand, clay. D. Clay, sand, silt. Clay is the finest grain and sand is the coarse grain. And silt, the texture of silt is in between clay and sand. So the correct option is B. Clay, silt and sand. Third one. Which three layers form the soil profile? A. Air, water and soil. B. Minerals, organic matter and living organisms. C. Clay, silt and sand. D. The topsoil, subsoil and parent material. So the three layers form the soil profiles are the topsoil, subsoil and parent material. So option D is the correct answer. Fourth one. The water holding capacity is the highest in dash. A. Sandy soil. B. Clayey soil. C. Loamy soil. D. Mixture of sand and loam. So the water holding capacity is high in clayey soil. That's why we are using clayey soils in making pots. Fifth one. Sandy soil is mostly found in dash. A. Deserts and beaches. B. Forests. C. Grasslands. D. Mountains. Sandy soil is mostly found in deserts and beaches. So option A is the correct answer. Sixth one. Which of the following creatures will you not find in the soil? A. Earthworm. B. Lemur. C. Mite. D. Centipede. Earthworm, mite and centipede are usually found in the soil. Lemur is usually stays in the tree. So the following creature which we will not find in the soil is lemur. So the correct option is option B. Seventh one. Which of these does not contribute in the soil formation? A. Erosion. B. Weathering. C. Rains. D. Birds. Soil is formed by the action of erosion, weathering and rains. So the answer is option D, birds. Eighth, from which layer of soil do plants get their nutrients? A. Topsoil. B. Subsoil. C. Bedrock. D. Weathered fragments. So the plants get all their nutrients from the topsoil. The topsoil is rich in nutrition. So answer is option A. Ninth one. Identify the layer B. So A. Topsoil. B. Humus. C. Subsoil. D. Bedrock. So the layer B is subsoil. So the answer is option C. Tenth one. Find the odd one out, keeping in mind loamy soil. A. Sand. B. Silt. C. Gravel. D. Clay. So they are asking odd and out. And the clue is loamy soil. Actually, sand, silt, and clay are part of loamy soil. So the odd one out is option C. Seventh one. Which of the following layer is loosely packed? A. Topsoil. B. Subsoil. C. Bedrock. D. None. The topsoil is loosely packed and is rich in nutrition. So the correct option is option A. 12th one. Dash soil is best for the cultivation of plants. A. Clay. B. Loamy soil. C. Sandy soil. D. Gravel. Loamy soil is best for the cultivation of plants. So B is the correct option. 13. Fertilizers are added in the soil to replace the loss of dash. A. Air. B. Water. C. Minerals. D. Microorganisms. Fertilizers are added to the soil to replace the lost minerals such as nitrogen, iron, etc. So, option C is the correct answer. Dash is added to loamy soil for the better growth of plants? A. Humus. B. Insecticide. C. Fertilizers. D. Pesticides. Humus is added to loamy soil for the better growth of plants. Humus is nothing but it is made up of decayed plants and animals or rotten leaves. So option is A. 15. Humus, silt, clay and sand are all parts of option A. Soil, option B. Plants, option C. Animals, option D. Rocks. We all know humus, silt, clay and sand are all parts of soil. So the correct option is option A. 16th one. Humus, which is formed by the decay of plants and animal matter, is important for the formation of most dash. A. Rounded sediments. B. Soils. C. Surface bedrock. D. Minerals. So humus is important for the formation of most minerals. It is rich in nutrients. It helps in growth of plants. So option D is the correct answer. 17th one. Which of the following soil is used in pottery? A. Sand. B. Silt. C. Clay. D. Loam. Clay, it contains fine grain material, so it has high water holding capacity. So clay soil is always used in pottery. 18th one. Which soil horizon has the least nutrients? A. Humus. B. Topsoil. C. Small rock. D. Hard rock. Hard rock soil horizon has the least nutrients. So D is the correct option. 19. Which of these break up the rock to make soil? A. Only sun. B. Only wind. C. Only rain. All of the options. So soil is made by effect of sun, wind and also rain. So the correct option is D. All of these. 20th. Soil contains stones, sand, humus. D. All of these. We all know soil contains stones, sand, humus, etc. So the correct option is option D, all of these. 21. Humus, gravel, clay and sand are all parts of A. Soil, B. Plants, C. Animals, D. Rock. Humus, gravel, clay and sand are all part of soil. So the correct option is option D. 22nd. The soil is home to A. Insects, B. Worms, C. Microorganisms, D. All of these. The soil is home to many animals like snake, earthworm, centipedes, etc. So the correct option is D. All of these. 23rd. The components of soil made up of rotten leaves and decayed bodies of animals and plants are called A. Humus, B. Clay, C. Gravel, D. None of these. So humus is made up of rotten leaves or decayed bodies of plants and animals. So A is the correct option. 24. The layer of the soil on which plants grow. A. Topsoil, B. Subsoil, C. Solid rock, D. None of these. So the layer of the soil on which plants grow is topsoil. Subsoil and solid rock are less in nutrients. So plants won't grow. So in topsoil, plants can grow. So correct option is option A. 25th. Soil which can hold water is A. Clay, B. Sandy soil, C. Loamy soil, D. None of these. Soil which can hold water is clay soil. It has high water holding capacity. So correct option is option A. 26. The process of breaking of rock is called dash. A. Weathering, B. Soil erosion, C. Volcanoes, D. Deforestation. The process of breaking of rock is called weathering. It helps in the formation of soil. So the correct option is option A. 27. Soil is a dash. A. Natural resource, B. Man-made resource, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Soil is a natural resource. So no, it is always formed by nature. It takes millions of years to form one layer of soil. So the correct option is option A. 28. Very fine soil particles are dash. A. Loamy, B. Sand, C. Clay, none of these. So the correct option is option C. Clay. Clay is a very fine soil particles. It also has high water holding capacity. 29. Largest soil particles are A. Clay, B. Sand, C. Loamy, D. None of these. Largest soil particles are sand and very fine soil particles are clay. So 29th option. The correct answer is option B. My dear kids, I hope you understand everything. So in my next video, we are going to see about water. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click bell icon.